Hey there guys, welcome to K-Sad's double box break number 680, 13-14 UD Ultimate. Last thing that ended the break was the Edmonton Oilers on August 30th at 8:59 p.m. Eastern Time. Current date and time, click, reload. It's currently Sunday, August 31st at 12:34 a.m. Eastern Time. And we are live on Breakers TV here. 680, and these are boxes 3 and 4 from the case, and our serial numbers are NE22115395 and 41829. Their second set numbers. Two serial numbers 3952 and 1829. Their second one. Over seals. Get started, so good luck everyone. Turn you guys around here, serial numbers, and get started. Yeah, I did, Matt. We're canceling that break. I'll tell you right after. I'll tell you why we have to. Come on, camera. $1829. So good luck, everyone. Box number 1. Here we go. So we do have a patch auto of some sort in the center here. So we have a base of Ryan Miller out of $4.99 for the Buffalo Sabres. We have a Ultimate Rookies, the New York Islanders of Ryan Strome, $4.99. Ryan Strome. And a Signature Masterpieces of Mr. John Tavares for the the New York Islanders. John Tavares for the Islanders. And we have a 11-12 buyback auto of Jakob Markstrom for the Florida Panthers. Jakob Markstrom is a Panther on the set still. And on to box number 2. $3952. Another patch. So good luck, everyone. So we have a base of Zach Parise, $4.99 for the Wild. We have a Ultimate Rookies of Tyler Johnson, $4.99 for the Lightning. And the Ultimate Rookies auto for the Minnesota Wild, Matthew Dumba, $2.99. So Dumba. And the Ultimate Patches, nice looking patches for the Colorado Avalanche, Peter Forsberg, $31.75. So there we have it, guys. So we got boxes 5 and 6 tomorrow, and the first box of MT out of a new case.